Hello everyone, I'm Omni Black, and this is my presentation for the Adams County website that I redesigned. This is my web page, and from here you can use the search bar here or go to the home navigation. Here on the home page I have the county gallery, and I also have these arrows that would allow you to scroll through the photos. I have the county events on the homepage as well, and the option to see more events. I can get to the event and gallery page from the homepage, or I can go up here and go to About Us. And down here at the bottom, I added quick links and some contact information, but I'm going to go to more events here. Here it takes me to the event page. I'm going to also go to the gallery, and here we can see more pictures and the option to see more photos, and you would potentially be allowed to click on a photo and it would show you the information about it as well as the photographer. Now I'm going to also show you that I can click up here on the navigation, and I can click on history and read about the history of the county. I also added the population if people were interested in how many people were in the area and what towns they were in. I'm going to go back up here to services, and I added some driver's license information. You can click on driver's license, driver's and written test, driver's permit, and it will view that page for you. And then you can view the map to see where Adams County Treasurer Office is. And it shows you the contact information as well as the hours. I'm also going to go to this one here. I added some court information showing the holiday closings, the court hours, and the meetings, as well as the address to the courthouse, voting and precincts. Here I added where they're from, where they're located, and here I can go to view map, and it will show a map here. I can also have the option to hide the map, which is nifty and doesn't take too much room. And I have the here on the footer all the quick links and contact information on all of my pages. I'm going to go back to home. So I first had a white bar up here showing Adams County, and I was told that it looked like dead space, so I just put the picture all the way up to the top, and I added the information in the middle of the page rather than up top, and I felt that it looked a little more professional. And I was told that the picture isn't the most important part, so you don't want it taking up most of the page. But yeah, this is my website, and let me know what you guys think.